Hello friends, welcome back to Travel with Titans.
In the last video, we came from Paris to Venice via Milan. We checked into our Airbnb in Mestre and came to visit Venice in the evening. However, we were tired, so we went back early to our Airbnb and now we are starting afresh with a new day.
Good morning friends. So हम आज रेडी हो गए हैं और आज हम जा रहे हैं मोरेनो आइलैंड. तो चलिए चलते हैं.
Today we will take you to some of the famous islands of Venice like Murano and Burano. So guys, we took the bus from a stop near to our apartment and reached Venice in 15 minutes. And this is the main bus stop of Venice named as Piazzale Roma. And Venice train station is also near, across the bridge. To go to Murano, there are multiple water bus routes which you can take depending on where you are in Venice. From Piazzale Roma, which is the main bus station at the entrance of Venice, or Ferrovia, which is near to train station, you can take line number 3 which goes directly to Murano without stopping. Vaporettos are similar to regular buses but operates on water instead of roads. The Vaporetto system is run by the ACTV, which is the public transport company of Venice. The Vaporetto's route cover all parts of Venice, including the main island of Venice, the Lido, Murano, Burano and Torcello. The Vaporetto is a popular way to get to the famous tourist spots such as St. Mark's Square, the Rialto Bridge and the Grand Canal. They are a convenient and affordable way to travel around Venice, especially for tourists who want to see the city's main attractions from the water. We already explained about public transport pass, which is valid for all buses, trams and boats in the municipality of Venice. If you have not seen that video, then link is in the description box, do check out. It takes around 22 minutes to reach Murano by line 3. Now we have reached Murano Colonna stop. Murano is known for its glass-making tradition. The island has been a center for glass-making since the 13th century, and today you can visit the many glass factories and workshops that produces beautiful glassware. Murano glass factories showcase skilled artisans creating exquisite pieces that depicts the island's legendary glassmaking heritage. There is a 14th century old beautiful church which you can visit. And next to church here is a clock tower of Murano. This tower was also built in the 14th century and is located in the heart of island overlooking the main square of Murano. After spending some time, we came to the lighthouse of Murano. It is still functioning and serves as an important navigational aid in the Venetian lagoon. From here we will take water bus line 12 which will take us to Burano. Overall, Murano Island is a beautiful and fascinating destination that is definitely worth a visit if you are in Venice. We just saw Venetian police patrolling in the speedboat. They had some conversation with the captain of this water bus and then went back. So guys, now we have reached Burano Island. It is a small island famous for brightly colored houses that lines its canals and streets. According to local legend, the houses were originally painted in bright colors so that fishermen could easily find their way home in the fog. Today, these colorful houses have become a symbol of the island and a popular subject for photographers and artists. Burano is also known for its seafood cuisine. The island's restaurants serve a variety of fresh seafood dishes. Burano is also very famous for its lace making tradition, which dates back to the 16th century. You can purchase handmade laces from various small shops. It has a bell tower which is 53 meters tall and inclined by 1.8 meters on its axis. However, this tower is not as famous as Leaning Tower of Pisa. Burano Island is very small. You can cover the entire island by foot in 1 hour. Overall, Burano is a charming and colorful destination that offers visitors a unique glimpse into the history and culture of Venetian Lagoon. Now we have to take the water bus back to Venice. It is the same line number 12 by which we came from Murano to Burano, and the same water bus will take us to Venice as well. The small square-shaped island that you see in front is a cemetery. It houses tombs of some of the famous Russian artists. So guys, now we have reached the Nove station in Venice, and from here we will walk for about 20 minutes to St. Mark's Square. Venice is often referred to as the floating city due to its unique system of canals and waterways. 118 small islands make up the city of Venice, separated by canals and connected by bridges. Currently, we are passing by a hospital, and in the front you can see the water ambulances. These are equipped with advanced life support equipments. So guys, this is the Basilica of St. Giovanni. There are 4 basilica in the island. This is one of them. While walking through the beautiful narrow streets of Venice, we spotted a unique bookstore. Its name is Libreria Acqua Alta. Some of the books in this shop are stored in a gondola. It is also famous for cats napping over the books, but we did not find any. Venice is very famous for its gondolas. There are many spots throughout the island where you can hire a gondola. The official tariff of a 30-minute ride on a gondola is 80 euros before 7 p.m. and 100 euros after that. These prices are per gondola and not per person, and a gondola can accommodate 4 to 6 persons, so it's not that costly if you are visiting in a group. However, gondoliers may ask for higher price than official rates. And if you are on budget, then you can take traghetto. Traghettos are little bigger gondolas and used for crossing the Grand Canal. It is a short fun ride for just €2 per person. Currently, we are at St. Mark's Square, which is the heart of Venice. This square is surrounded by beautiful architecture, including St. Mark's Basilica and Doge's Palace. Take a stroll through the square and soak up the atmosphere, or enjoy a coffee at one of the cafes while listening to the live music. St. Mark's Basilica is one of the most iconic landmarks of Venice. The basilica was originally built in 9th century as a private chapel for the Doge of Venice. Entrance fee of basilica is €3 per person, and you can visit from 9:30 am to 5:15 pm, and currently it is 6 pm, so we cannot visit at the moment. If you just want to see the glimpse of the basilica, then you can enter to the prayer hall for free from a separate entrance on the north side of basilica. And just in front of basilica, here is a bell tower or Campanile di San Marco. It is around 98 meters high and features 5 bells at the top. Visitors can climb to the top of tower via lift or a staircase with 271 steps, which offers magnificent views of the city and the surrounding lagoon, and entrance fee is around €10. And this is the Doge's Palace. Elected head of state in Venice were called as Doge, and this palace was used to be the residence of Doge of Venice. It was built in 1340 and later it was converted to a museum. And next to palace is the Bridge of Sighs, which connects palace to the prison. According to legend, the bridge takes its name from despairing sigh of prisoners gazing out at the beauty of Venice through the shuttered stonework, as they were led away to their dark future of imprisonment. One of the most famous bridges in Venice is the Rialto Bridge. This stunning bridge spans the Grand Canal and is lined with shops and market stalls. Take a walk across the bridge and enjoy the stunning views of the canal and the city. The Grand Canal is the main waterway of Venice and offers few views of old buildings, gondolas and water taxis.
This was the only bridge which crosses the Grand Canal. अभी ऐसे 5 bridges हैं total.
इटालियन जेलातो।
हम इटालियन जेलातो खा रहे हैं, जो कि आइसक्रीम है, बट ये रेगुलर आइसक्रीम से थोड़ी डिफरेंट होती है। इसमें फ्रूट कंटेंट थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहता है कंपेयर टू रेगुलर आइसक्रीम्स, और ये काफ़ी टेस्टी भी है। एंड अभी हम रियाल्तो ब्रिज के पास खड़े हुए हैं और यहाँ पर हम आइसक्रीम खा रहे हैं।
Now we are taking Vaporetto back to the bus station. We hope you enjoyed this tour of Venice, Italy. With its stunning architecture, beautiful canals and rich history, Venice is truly a unique and magical city. We hope you have the chance to experience it for yourself one day. So guys, that's it for this video. If you find the video helpful, then do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos in this series. Thank you for your time and wish you happy and safe travel.